Hey folks, JD here, and today I'm out with the Beast again. Now I wanted to see exactly how this copter did again. I haven't flown it since, I've flown it once actually since the initial videos I put out a few weeks ago, and I just wanted to see exactly how well she was going to do again. But more to the point, I wanted to get some video because I've got a little idea, and that is I want to see, I don't think it's going to happen that much with this particular quad, but I want to see with a couple of others how, if I can in post, if I can stabilise the video any more than what it currently is. So I've done it with a couple of other videos which I haven't put live, and it does work. Obviously you do get a little bit of digital, you can see it's been digitally enhanced, put it that way, and you can see that the actual outcome of the video isn't as crisp, and you can see by its movements it seems a little bit too polished. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some video now. So I'm just flying this around. I'm just going to see if I can get some video. I'm not being careful with what I'm doing with the video. I'm just quite literally flying it round however I see fit, just keeping my thumb on about 3/4 positive pitch, and I'm just giving her a little bit of yaw. I'm not even using roll. I'm just giving her a little bit of yaw just to move her around, just so I can then get the video afterwards, put it together and see if I can actually stabilise it, so we can look at the before and after of the Beast with video stabilisation. Now obviously it isn't going to be, it is going to be video stabilisation from the post-production stage, not from the quadcopter recording stage. So you aren't going to see, don't expect it to look like the Xeno or look like the Spark or look like the Mavic Air. You know, it is going to look as if it has been digitally enhanced. It isn't going to be something that you can look back and go, actually, do you know what, that actually looks as good as the Xeno. It's not. It's going to reduce some of the movement. It doesn't reduce all of the movement. It depends on the frames a second that you're actually outputting, so it's better to record at a faster frame rate and then slow it down whenever you're doing any sort of video stabilization. I find just that you actually maintain that nice smooth element of the video as well. If you're recording like this, I think this is between 20 and 23 frames a second, it's not going to turn out just as good as you hope. Just because that frame rate is a lot lower, and therefore you're going to notice any sort of slight bump movement or anything like that. So I'm going to give it a shot anyway, see what it's like. But I'm enjoying flying this again, I really am. This is quite a fun little quad. And of course I'm just flying around, just getting any old video. I mean, I've been recording now for 3 minutes and 10. In a minute I'm going to stop recording, and we're going to look at the stabilization process, which is very simple in itself. There we go, 3 minutes 25. I think I'll do one more pass, one more wide pass, and then I will concentrate on bringing her home. But it's quite a nice morning today. We've got no breeze whatsoever, no breeze, no wind. I'm still waiting on the rest of my quadcopters to arrive from overseas, so it's actually quite a bit of a shame, because this would have been perfect weather to test some of them out in. Right, okay, so what we got? We got almost coming up to 4 minutes of video, so I'm gonna flicker around above my head and make us have 4 minutes of video, and then I'm gonna bring her down. Yeah, there we are, 4 minutes and 1 second of video. Right, so I tell you what, you don't want to watch me land this because it's not very fun. So how about if I just brake straight away and we go and have a little look and see what this video looks like once it has been stabilised. Well, I guess you did watch me land.